galing kami kumuha ng food sa food bank. So, marami na naman food na iuuwi namin. Libre, so why not take it, diba? Take the opportunity na may magbibigay sa inyo. Hindi naman sila stricto, nakalista ang mga pangalan dun eh, diba? Meron yung magko-complain na bakit daw kumukuha kami. Hindi naman daw kami indigent. Lahat naman kumukuha ng lahat ng mga tao dito sa So everyone is entitled to get the a big box of food. Then ano pa yun? What else? Apples, potatoes na nakasupot, ang dami. So it's a blessing, di ba? Yeah, sabi ko kay Ken, we nearly forgot it. It's first Monday of the month. So while we were eating our breakfast and lunch, kasi nagluto si Ken, tapos bigla ko naisip na first Monday. Ala, it's first Monday, so about the food. Tapos tiningnan namin it's 1 hour na lang para 1 o'clock kasi that's 11 to 1 o'clock ang time ng pagbibigay nila. So yun, after eating 12:30 natapos kaming kumain. So umalis kami agad. 20 minutes, 25 minutes naman yung drive from lake to town. So nahabol namin. Mag-uwi kami ng maraming food. Yan. So happy.